A few weeks ago, I released the QC signals indicator. I've been working on turning it into a strategy. And so I want to give you guys an overview of what it looks like because this is coming out towards the end of June, middle to end of June. I'm forward testing it right now, but I want to show you why this is actually important. So if you've never seen QC signals, it basically is right here giving you indications and signals on when all of these confluences are in alignment. It's a five confluence system. So when it triggers a buy symbol, you get the buy right here. You also can scroll back and see there's multiple others, but you get trend flip pills as well. So when this goes bullish, you are able to take that and you stay above this smart money line right here. Everything is running great. Back here, it goes bearish and it flips down with sell signals. And you kind of get the idea. It's a signals indicator that is becoming a strategy so you can backtest and find something that works perfect for how you trade. So I've been working in Python quite a bit trying to get this dialed in and figure out the best strategy that I can. And I believe I have found it. So I want to show you guys some results so you know what is coming with this strategy towards the middle to end of June. Release date is TBD until I actually finalize it. Just so we can avoid the curve fitting claims that always seem to come up whenever I post one of these videos. This is from January 1 of 2024 to current day, which is May 29, 2026. So we have 2.5 full years pretty much here, all of 24, all of 25, and then about half of 26 already. And you can see since January 1 of 2024, a P&L of 17,609 with a max drawdown of 1,274 for an almost 63% win rate and a profit factor of 1.343. The equity curve here is ridiculously perfect. It's exactly what you want to see when you're back testing. So I've used Python and ran hundreds of thousands of combinations on. I just am on MNQ right now. I'm going to start on MGC. I'm going to start on MYM. I'm going to start on full size NQ. I got a couple other ones in the works, but right now MNQ is the most popular. So that's the one I've been doing the most. But 2.5 years of back tested data. And this is using level two tick data that I have in my Python engine. This is what it's come up with, and this is as close to parity from level two tick data to TradingView because TradingView doesn't actually use level two tick data. They have some kind of smoothed something rather for their candles, so they don't even use the level two tick data that a lot of people are claiming you need to use for backtesting. So TradingView backtested results are always a little bit different than actual level two tick data, and most people who backtest don't actually know that. They just think they do. So this is January 1, 2024 to current day. Let's go to January 1 of 2025. So you have this is 17 months, almost 18 months. 13,280 on your P&L, drawdown of 1,209, 64% win rate, profit factor of 1.426. Again, equity curve, just shorter time frame from what we just looked at. Again, is insanely nice. And this is also just one contract. This isn't scaled up or anything like that. I'll show you. I'm literally just running one. You can see right here, my contracts per trade is at one. So we, of course, could scale this if we wanted to. If you get into a good run, you could scale up. You can see the last 365 days is great. If we're just going from May 25 to May 26, is 11,741 with a drawdown of $942, almost 66% win rate and a 1.545 profit factor. And then just because we're here, we'll go last 90 days and take a look. Last 90 days alone, 4,541 on the P&L, drawdown of $544, almost 70% win rate over 136 trades for a profit factor of 1.756. And then last 30 days, $1,300, 544 drawdown, 70.27% win rate, profit factor of 1.725. So while I'm expanding this back out, just so we can recap January 1 of 2024 to current, this is for elite members and lifetime members at QuantCrawler.com. If you guys want to get access to everything, you can go to QuantCrawler.com/get-elite. You'll see all the information. It comes with our trade copier. It comes with our Ghost platform, which is trade automation off of webhooks. It comes with access to QC signals indicator for right now. The strategy is coming in probably 3 weeks, let's say, middle to end of June. And this, we're not curve fit. You can see 2.5 years, $17,000, $1,200 drawdown, 62, almost 63% win rate, profit factor of 1343, and the equity curve is just perfect. So when this releases, you'll be able to fine tune anything you want, check everything out. And this is the QC signal strategy that is coming to QuantCrawler here in just a few weeks.